Welcome to class, kids! I'm gonna be your killer teacher today, Mr. McMahon. Oh god, this fruit again. See what you're talking about there? 9-minute, 1,000-hour detention.
You suck. You suck fruit tarts.
What's up, faggot?
Mr. Shelton, you'll have a 30-minute, 1,000 detention for saying words in this class.
Screw off.
Excuse me!
You heard me.
Now it's time to do math. Now, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, so when you say we're going to do math, we actually won't. We are actually not going to because it makes so logical sense that we won't. We are not. And then when you say when we are not doing it, we will be. Because we just will. So that makes solid sense. You suck. Go home, go to bed. Love you all, thank you, and good night. Thank you all, sir. What the heck does that mean?
Why don't you teach us anything fun? Whoa, what is that? A murder weapon?
Hey,
Maybe
how you doing? Good? Yeah.
Alberto! What did you do to my friend? What did
Hey,
you do to it?
Guys, how you doing? Good? Yeah.
What did you do to
Hey,
it?
Shelton. You doing good? Yeah.
Shut up, I'm trying to save your house. What did you do to my friend? What did you do to him? Tell me, please.
Mama.
Tell me.
Special eds. They're always a pain sometimes. That's mean.
I'm gonna eat this one.
No, you're not.
Say special ed.
Special
What
ed.
you do to
Special
my
ed
friend?
buddies. Oh, I'm gonna break my back.
What did you do to my friend? I'm stuck.
Ah, suckers.
Help me.
This always calls for McMahon soup. Does that feel good?
Oh, tongue.
Make it where the camera can see me too. And now both of them.
Well, if you have anything to add to that, oh yes I do.
I have an idea. Dude, we should totally tape that.
Hold on. Hey, special ed. Are you emo? Very. Here's a freaking knife. There you go. Thank you. Screw you. No, I'm out of here, man. I'm out of this freaking country. Let me out.
Mommy.
What's this guy's name?
Hey,
What is this
Shelton,
guy's-
what the heck are you doing?
I can fly!
Shelton,
Okay.
what the heck are you doing?
Vertical.
Whoa, ladder.
Time for the hardcore.
Extreme!
Come on, Zach. Beat him up. We got a border crosser. Get the police. It's a border crosser.
Come on, Zachy.
Die. Stupid dog.
I'm kidding. that's all for this. That's all for this video. If you like this video, leave a comment. And they'll probably 10 tomorrow days. Bye. You know what? We are not. When you say we are done, we actually not. When we are done. When you say when we're done, we aren't. You know what? Screw you. Screw you, Samoa Joe. You don't make freaking sense at all. Bye.